Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn on how to appear offline in Microsoft Teams and hide your active status permanently. This instantly swaps out your green online indicator for a gray offline circle, letting you read messages and work inside your team channels in total stealth mode without letting anyone know you are sitting at your computer desk. First, move your cursor to the absolute top right corner of the interface header row and click directly on your profile picture icon. Locate your current present status choice line, which is usually sitting right underneath your account email layout, and click it to open the options list. Look at the very bottom of the choice drop-down layout and click directly on the option explicitly labeled Appear Offline. Your profile dot will instantly switch to a gray circle with an X inside it, signaling to the tracking core that you are disconnected while keeping your application features fully active. And that's it! Your permanent hidden stealth presence profile layout configuration is now completely optimized and active. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.